Okay, P6 Mopa on 12 mylar, 12 micron mylar, 12 micron aluminium. One thing I want to say, if you ever want to buy something similar, 20 watts is more than enough, but it can only do thin materials, and I think it has to do with introducing heat. 9 micron aluminium foil on 12 micron mylar works fine. 12 micron aluminium foil on 12 micron aluminium, or what is it, micron, mylar works, and 15 micron aluminium tape works. I tried 12 micron mylar and 25 micron aluminium. No way I could get it correctly without shrinking and, you know, become a mess. So hopefully this will go nice. I try 4 coils in a row, like the maximum the length that is in there can handle. And I'll do this because, you know, you want to have settings that can do a full 150 times 150. That's the lens I use right now, but later on I'll try the 200 times 200. For now, this is in. So we got our foils in front of us, which you cannot see. Well, there they are. There they are, those 4. And let's measure them. So they are 4.9, next one, 4.9, 4.9, 4.9. So that works. Let's get the weird camera in. So this is what it looks. This is the connection point. Wow, that looks really clean, to be fair. Boop, boop, boop. Goes around the corner. So this is the same coil as you... Oh, there you can see. This piece was too thin to hold on, apparently. That one. Yeah, that one looks also a little bit crooked, but the rest is really clean. Really clean. Might even think a little bit too clean. The cleaner they are, the more they were hit by the laser in a way. So I might need to adjust that to get the same result. I mean, in impedance wise. So lower the power or increase the speed until it fucks up, and then, you know, go back a little bit. But that's 4 coils in a row that work fine, and they also look quite nice. This is something hard to film. Oh no, it's not this time. I'm zoomed in apparently, but yeah, as you can see, they look quite nice. So this is 12 micron, and if you look at my fingers, well, my thumb is not a good idea to, well, you know, very dirty fingers, by the way, but they're not huge. I mean, the coils, my fingers are, but yep, pretty cool. As I mentioned, I only get this kind of result with either this mylar or the blue foil, and I don't actually have at the moment the blue foil that has 12 micron aluminium on it. I will order it again. I decided to keep the laser just for these foils. Anything else, 15 is still possible. Anything beyond that, maybe 20, I don't know, but at least 25 is not possible without hurting the foil. So I am gambling on making tweeters that uses these kind of foils to maybe get a return on investment of the laser itself, because it is quite limited in what it can do, and what it can do, it does pretty well. So yeah, and then you can go smaller than this, but have no need for it, I think, at the moment. See you later. Bye bye.